New job this morning. This window's coming out. We've got a French doors going in there, and then toothing in down here. I'm building across and securing a new entrance, locking up the back door, and we'll come to that later, video that later. Okay, catch you when we're not knocking out. You've just taken this big one out, but this is what you do. You just simply come out like that. There we go. And now we undo these and these, and that should come out easy enough, he says. So what I'm doing here now is just stitch drilling around these header joints. It's better to do that than using a grinder. You can slip with the grinder and cut the bricks, but what I'm doing is stitch drilling and making those headers to come out much easier. I'll continue on and show you as we go along. What you can see Ben is doing is using the reciprocating saw and cutting down all the plastic sleeves. They hold the windows in as well. We need to cut them off. It's a brilliant tool for doing that. So what we're doing now is I'm stitch drilling. It's a lot better job stitch drilling, because if I get the cutter on with a blade, sometimes it can go into the brick. So I'm just gently stitch drilling around. And what you find is that with doing it that way, because the mortar is very soft, it's not strong. This is our London common bricks, the other facing bricks, which the mortar isn't very strong on them. So it drills out very easy, so I always prefer to drill them out. And we'll come back to you when we get this window out and toothed out. Okay, catch you in a minute. Again, we're just using the reciprocating saw to cut down and loosen the window from the wall plugs that have gone right through. Anybody want to buy a window? So what we're doing now is starting to knock this wall down. We're taking out these modern sort of kind of stone effect bricks using our SDS with the chisel bit on, and they'll soon come off. And then we can tooth this side up, as you can see already started. Here we go. This is where we're at. We're taking the window out now. We've got this coming bottom out, and I'm just toothing up this side here. Okay, it's coming out pretty good. The rain keeps off. Middle of May. We did have a heat wave, but now it's gone. Okay, we'll catch you in a minute when we've got this. Right, okay, I've started the building now in. As you can see, we've got a tie on. We've got it framed out on the inside, timber with timber. We've got our sheet of breathable membrane on, and you can see where I've toothed in. I'm keeping frog up, and yeah, hopefully the weather keeps off, but it might just bucket it down in a bit. Not good when you're doing this kind of work. You've got to keep these bricks dry. These are a London heather brick. They're an imperial size, so that they match the existing that was built back in the 70s, and they're a slight difference in size. As you can see, that makes my bed a little bit bigger, only a slightly difference, but it creeps as you go up, so you've got to keep your beds big. I noticed that the bed, if you notice, the beds on the house are quite big as well, so it doesn't help your joint sizes really. Okay, well, I'll crack on. Just look at it, the great British weather. I've still got to point it up. Whoa. I don't know, it's the end of the day as well, we want the room. Never mind, we'll get there in a minute. chiseling out. I mean, this is really bad. Look at that. I pointed that up, right mess. So I'm taking out. I've drilled all the way around, and one of these is good. You get one of these, you can really get off your bits that are left on, and pull a tooth to it. So I'm using a balsa chisel. So we don't want to crack that brick there. That's the problem. So you have to just go around it nice and steady. The reason why I've drilled it, the black car there, gets covered in dust. So, and if you use water on your cutting, all this gets sludged up. So I prefer to do this. So another thing is I'm cutting from the top down, because each bottom one supports the stretcher. Okay. Crack the brick. You don't want to go too vicious with these. Loosen it. Tease it out. As I say, you've got to protect that or split there. Then you're forever going further back. So what I use this for, just going in like that. Okay, I'll come back to you when we're building up. Okay, that's the door and a small window out and bricked up. The bricks are slightly smaller than the original, so I've had to put big joints to catch it up, but there we go, that's that done. There we are, all in.